Hey everyone, Dustin from Meridian Media. Today I wanted to show you a simple but super effective lighting trick that can add a lot of interest to your music videos or independent films. It's all about creating prismatic effects using a spotlight and some suncatcher crystals. So here's the setup I used. I attached my Godox VL150 to a 36-degree spotlight mount on a C-stand and positioned suncatcher crystals in front of the light using a microphone stand. It took some tweaking to get the effect just right, but once dialed in, it gave me this beautiful prismatic display. If you're curious about the spotlight mount itself, I've made an overview video explaining how to use it, so be sure to check that out on the end screen. So why would you want to create something like this? Well, lighting is one of the most powerful tools that you have as a filmmaker. It sets the tone, directs attention, and can completely transform a scene. Effects like this prism display can give your footage a surreal, ethereal quality, perfect for music videos, dream sequences, or just adding that extra layer of visual interest. You might want to use this effect to represent emotion or symbolism, or just to create something eye-catching in a scene. For instance, when you shine light through these crystals, you get this organic movement and texture that would be hard to replicate digitally. Plus, because it's practical, it interacts with the environment in a way that looks natural. I used this for a piano scene, and I felt like it gave the scene a unique touch. And here's the thing about effects like this. They require a lot of experimenting. I spent time adjusting the intensity of the light, using the spotlight mount cutters to shape it, playing with the focus, and even changing the distance of the crystals. Small tweaks made big differences in the final result, and that's why experimenting is so important. I think it's just really important to keep pushing your creativity as a filmmaker. Sometimes the best effects come from experimenting with something as simple as the angle of your light or the distance of an object. You don't need high-end CGI to create exciting visuals, just a bit of curiosity and patience. So if you're working on your next project, I encourage you to experiment with practical effects like this. Play with light, use objects that reflect or distort it, and see what kind of looks you can create. It's a lot of fun, and the results can really make your work stand out. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe for more filmmaking tips, and let us know in the comments what lighting experiments you've tried recently. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.